5 Best Small Microwave 2018. Here is the product number 5. LG LCS0712 Street. With 700 watts of power and 10 power levels, this LG LCS0712 Street 0.7 cubic feet compact microwave lets you prepare a wide variety of delicious meals. The Easy Clean feature simplifies the cleaning process, and the clock keeps you notified of the time. One-touch settings. Easy Clean feature. Stainless steel. Here is the product number 4. Sharp R651ZS Sensor Microwave. Color stainless steel, product packaging standard Sharp 1.2 cubic foot, 1200 watts of power, 4-digit LED display, pre-programmed sensor cook, defrost and time setting options, 4 soften options, keep warm function. 2.2 cubic foot, 1200 output wattage. Sensor cook. Here is the product number 3. Panasonic NST372S Countertop. With its sleek stainless steel front and silver wrap, this 950-watt microwave oven by Panasonic makes a stylish and convenient addition to any contemporary kitchen. The 0.8 cubic foot unit with its 11 1/4-inch turntable perfectly cooks and evenly heats anything from breakfast foods and after-school snacks to dinner-time meals. Here is the product number 2. RCARMW741 0.7. Color stainless, size: 0.7 cubic feet. Heat food quickly in this RCA.7 cubic feet stainless steel microwave. It is a powerful microwave with an attractive design. It also features one-touch cooking menus, a digital kitchen timer and a removable glass turntable. 6 one-touch cooking menus. 10 power levels. Here is the product number 1. Westinghouse WCM660B. Color black, style name. 6 cubic feet. When you buy Westinghouse you know you're buying quality. With the Westinghouse WCM660B microwave oven you get 600 watts of cooking power in a 0.6 cubic foot interior. Easy-to-use mechanical dials allow you to set the timer that ranges from 1 to 30 minutes and to select from among the 6 cooking power levels.
Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.